Hi everyone, my name is Glenn Weadock and welcome to my course, Managing Microsoft Desktops, Managing and Protecting Devices. I'm a consultant and seminar leader at Independent Software Inc. in Colorado and an author of 18 books on Windows, networking, and certification. Now, managing Windows 10 devices today means leveraging cloud-based tools such as Microsoft Intune. Today's Windows 10 administrator must understand how to enroll, inventory, secure, and monitor Intune clients alongside traditional desktops. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course include get Windows 10 devices enrolled into Intune, use Credential Guard, Exploit Guard, and System Guard to increase security, limit the apps people can run using application control, run the Device Health Analytics tool in Azure, and use the Defender Security Center for threat analytics. By the end of this course, you'll know how to set up your network for automatic device enrollment in Azure AD and Intune, pull inventory data out of Intune for use in your favorite analytics tool, set up Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection, reduce malware attacks using reputation filtering, protect user profiles from ransomware, and monitor which devices and applications are interfering with user productivity in your company. You'll also learn how to customize your antivirus and firewall tools. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Windows and networking basics, but no advanced knowledge is required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about how to bring Windows 10 device management and security configuration into the modern IT environment with the Managing Microsoft Desktops, Managing and Protecting Devices course at Pluralsight.